Hey guys, what's up? This is JRP77 from JG Games and welcome back to VGSS. Welcome to episode 1. So going into this series, I had this giant dream in mind, but then the longer I thought about it, the less and less realistic it really seemed. There's construction down in the basement, so I can't record and do stuff on my computer at the same time, so I'm filming in a new spot. And that's why I didn't put a tutorial out this Saturday. One, because I didn't think I understood the information well enough in order to be viable for teaching it, and two, because I couldn't work on my downstairs computer. I'm currently using a very wonky setup that involves a laptop and a mic that I think you can see in the mirror a little bit. This is my boom mic and it is straight up and down. So basically what I did over this past week was I did brainstorming because I want to have a very solid plan before I actually go and make a game. And this hasn't just been a serious idea for the past week, this has been a serious idea that I've had for the past couple months. Now if you don't remember Stormstrike, it's probably one of the crappiest attempts at making a video game ever because we worked on it for 2 years and we got very little progress. I'll show a clip right now of how good the progress was because you could see like we spent a ton of time on this and we really didn't get far at all. But being a bit nostalgic, I wanted to bring that back. I wanted to bring back Stormstrike from the ashes because we still have all of the plans that we made for the game on our computer, so we could just go and use stuff from that and we wouldn't have to do any brainstorming, right? Well, not exactly. You see, one of the reasons Stormstrike failed was one, we didn't know enough when we started making the game, and two, we thought that it was going to be a good idea for our first game to be this highly detailed, highly sophisticated game, even though we had no idea how to make a game. And so it failed. And I realized that the more and more I thought about it, that I'm just falling back into the same trap again. I'm thinking that I can make this highly sophisticated video game, but in reality, when I'm really looking at it, I really can't make a video game because I've never made one before. So over the past couple of days, I've been brainstorming and I've been kind of rethinking my entire idea that I've had for the past couple months. And I was really inspired by one game in particular, Thomas Was Alone. So basically, Thomas Was Alone is a very minimalistic video game that plays off of the idea of shapes. Basically, like each shape has a different set of abilities, and it's a very minimalistic style game. You can see in the gameplay, all of the characters are just squares and rectangles and stuff. However, the farther and farther into the game you get, it actually has a really cool story. I'm not going to spoil it at all because it's a fun game, but I realized like that's what I want to do. I want to make like a 2D game, like a pixel art game. I want to make it minimalistic, not like Thomas Was Alone. I don't want to copy everything they do, but I want to take some inspiration from that, and I want to make my own game that's kind of minimalistic. And making a 2D pixel art game is a whole lot more achievable of a task than making a game as complicated as BioShock or Skyrim. And on top of that, compressing it into like a 1.5 hour long game. So that's my plan, is to make a 2D pixel art game that will be fun. It probably won't be a platformer, but it'll have some like platformer elements to it. Now really, I do not know what I'm exactly going to do, but I promise, I'm trying to make a game. I just need a solid plan and I have a lot of stuff on my plate. So I'm gonna try to put out 2 videos a week, but that probably won't happen every week. Because that's going to help a lot out with things down the line. Like, I can just go back and look at my plan. I do really well on plans. I don't do really well when it's a very flexible thing. So that's basically all the brainstorming I did. I know it's not very much, and these first couple of videos will be very short, but I feel like the farther and farther in, the more and more stuff we actually do, these will become some pretty lengthy videos. So the next step, obviously, is just to go ahead and start working on exactly what I want to make. Some like drawing up some stuff, and I'll try to have some videos of me actually doing that in the next video, but we'll see how it happens. That's basically all I've got to say. Tune in next week, Wednesday, 11 a.m. Eastern, to see the next episode of VGSS. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video sucked, then you know what to do, but if it didn't, drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Don't forget to check out our website, social media, and merch, as well as our community Discord server. All those links will be in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.